Menteri Rangba ke jela ukon kesang mah ne ke skiula ong ba ka Sorkar ke tre bet Iatai Halor ke ros de system. Haba keren cekla patai kubor ula ong ba lada ke Sorkar ka persang banyak keren Halor ke ni kaman ka hapan pensngap ya baru ke bedon bentalang. Da ka bapentip baya ke jengelang on pelong hapo unu benai da ka benrap ba ke Sorkar kan sa penlong ya ki jenge keren Sani Halor ke ni kamat ringkat lang bat ke we ki sengsan perthai. Hakajuk kupor konrad ulaong bala penlong ki jeng emir jengmut hakabaya day baka jenglet penyeso jong kaseng PDF bat ke NPP. Shu la pentip baka benta ka baar jong ka jeng kren ban penbet ya ki jeng yakin at kaput baka jela asam kan sasdang hobnai jemang.
We need to take all stakeholders on board, and hence the process of discussion and consultation will start. We will be soon calling the meeting. Within this week itself, we'll be having an internal meeting of the government, and it will take some time for us to go through all the documentation paper, the court orders, the proper interpretation of all of that. And after the discussion takes place, we will expand it further to political parties, then we'll further expand it to stakeholders, and then after taking everybody on board, then we will figure out how we should move.